tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I am super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21M, a multifunction printer that's been making waves in the large format printing scene. This 24-inch poster and plotter printer is packed with features that will take your printing experience to the next level. From its automatic roll and cut sheet paper feeder to its USB, Wi-Fi, and LAN connectivity options, this printer is designed to make your life easier. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at what makes this printer so special. One of the features that really caught my attention is the enlarge copy function. Imagine being able to take a small original document and enlarging it to a massive size with just a few simple steps. This feature is a game changer for anyone who needs to create large format prints, whether it's for a presentation, a marketing campaign, or just for personal use. The process is incredibly straightforward. Simply place your original document on the flatbed scanner, select the desired enlargement size, and let the printer do the rest. The result is a crisp, high-quality print that's perfect for any application. I've used this feature to create large format posters for events, and the results have been stunning. Another feature that I've found to be extremely useful is the USB flash drive port. This allows you to print in large format by simply inserting a USB flash drive containing your files. No need to connect to a computer or navigate through complex menus. Just plug in your flash drive, select the file you want to print, and you're good to go. This feature is perfect for those who need to print large format documents on the go, whether it's for a meeting, a presentation, or a trade show. I've used this feature to print large format banners for events, and it's been a huge time saver. The 2.7-inch TOUCHS-21M LCD is another standout feature of the Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21M. This tiltable touchscreen display makes it easy to navigate through the printer's menus and select the features you need. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Whether you're printing, scanning, or copying, the touchscreen LCD makes it easy to access the features you need. I've found that the touchscreen LCD is particularly useful when printing large format documents, as it allows me to easily select the paper size and orientation. In addition to these features, the Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21M also offers cloud printing and scanning capabilities. This allows you to print to or scan from the cloud directly from the printer, giving you greater flexibility and convenience. Imagine being able to print a document from your cloud storage account without having to connect to a computer. It's a game changer for anyone who needs to print on the go. The cloud printing and scanning feature is also secure, so you can rest assured that your documents are safe and protected. I've used this feature to print documents from my cloud storage account, and it's been incredibly convenient. The auto sheet feeder is another feature that's worth mentioning. This allows you to automatically load up to 100 sheets of letter-size paper or up to 50 sheets of 11-inch by 17-inch paper, giving you greater print flexibility. No need to manually feed each sheet of paper. The printer takes care of it for you. This feature is perfect for those who need to print large volumes of documents, whether it's for a business, a school, or a personal project. I've used this feature to print large batches of documents, and it's been a huge time saver. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21M is an incredible multifunction printer that's packed with features that will take your printing experience to the next level. From its enlarge copy function to its USB flash drive port, 2.7-inch TOUCHS-21M LCD, cloud printing and scanning, and auto sheet feeder, this printer is designed to make your life easier. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or just someone who loves to print, this printer is definitely worth considering. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21M today and experience the power of